just drop back in a place, good old Jamaica. I leave the airport now. I leave Montego Bay. And why is a joy, you know? It's been a crazy day for me because last night I came back from the TamFam get together in Kingston, Orlando, and our flight was delayed by like 4 hours. Me, Craig Tantip, and Java, you know, but you know, we're grown folks and we took it in stride, and you know, mature people and things, so it was kind of easy and juggle through it and sitting and whatever, you understand? And then but by the time he reaching now, about after 2 them time there, you know, and then would have to wake up early and catch back the flight, have to come down here and sitting and whatever, yeah. So they are juggle and thing. Yeah, there it is right there. Right, so alright. Yeah, and it's just been crazy, you know. I need sleep, but I'm driving down to my, well, I go to the airport, I reach early, check in the whole works and thing and whatever. When I know it says about a 3.5 4 flight for come down here. I'm on Montego Bay side, I go. It's closer to Kingston when you're coming down, but when you come up here, it's a little farther. And then just had a very uncomfortable and awkward experience renting this car that I'm driving. You know, I say I'm going to support local business and thing, and that didn't work out too well. It was just, but I won't bore you with the unpleasant details with that. But hey, you know, it's all about staying positive. And whether you're in a good Jamaica, where the Montegonians them there, see me I drive out of the city, you know, everything is everything. I was going over there, so yeah, a new building that, I don't know about that one there. Well, not new, but remember in years now, I'm gonna drop here and I see them beer parties, see all them something or whatever. Yeah. So I drive, go down to my hotel, which is not in Montego Bay. It's somewhere else. I don't know when I'm going to put up this video. I know I put up this video by YouTube, and then people know I'm there, you know. Well, over there, so yeah, sandals, you know, the original sandals were Boss Boot Stewart and thing or whatever. I forgot my car thing for hold up the phone. You know, I tell you, hey people, them Samsung phone are bad though, you know, I'm not lying, you know, for some people who know technology and camera and all them something there, right? So it's not a, you know, top quality 35mm camera, obviously, but for a phone, I tell you, say, the Samsung phone, them are going with themselves. iPhone can't come to the Samsung phone them when it comes to video quality and picture quality. Samsung are lead. And when iPhone jump in at the race and say them I take it to Samsung, and no, them not dead. I be a catch up them and play. So we want to give thanks to what we have to write as a people. You know, but I hold it in my hand because I forget my car. I'm so upset, man. I forget the, you know, the little thing where you travel with and you just put it in a car and whatever, you know. But video I have to make, right? Because TamFam have to know where I'm going. But, so again, your boy is here in Jamaica. Unfortunately, I have a funeral, a relative passed. So I have that funeral to go to here. And whoops, you see, so we do everything opposite now. We just go turn on the wiper. Watch out, me still at No, I need to turn it off. Okay, there we go. You know it go with up on the left side now, you know, so everything opposite. Yeah, it's a Jamaica thing, you know. What we get from England and we are juggle away there. So Montegonians, Iron Shore people and them people that big up on themselves, you know, Rosal people, and I think down the line they say you have one here and there. I think a Lilliput it name, something like so. When me 69 did live. Yeah? So see what they are juggling and a cut and a go through and everything is everything. Yes, I have some stops to make, some things to do, some people to talk to, and to catch up with what's happening in our beautiful country. You see, you see the place over there, so trying to see a big construction going on over there. Yeah, anytime you see that, yeah, you see all them places where they dig up over there, so. Yeah, man, when you see them a clear out, so. A big development going on down at Jamaica. You know, some hungry. But, hold on, let me see. I can't stop. I wonder what I'm going on. People, what I'm doing is dangerous, you know. I should not do this, you know. But I need to stop, man. No, I'm not. See, that was awful what I just did, alright? And I'm admitting it. I'm stop. I'm go over here so in case. Still I turn on the wiper. Not good. Alright, come over. Alright, I'm gonna stay upon. Yo, I stay upon the side there. So if I see someone, I can go some boom and hold some food. And I know it's a seafood me at the prey, you know, and that's my thing, though. That's my weakness. Nah, man, but I'm hungry, man, and me look at something in the morning, you know, but a little breakfast thing, you know, but you don't know, so the peckish kick in and thing, and I deliberately never eat nothing upon the plane. Because I say I save the hungry. Can I go to Jamaica and you eat plain food that come down here, you know, say you come down here to some good Jamaican food. Not happening. So the peckish are sinking, you know, and thing, and we should have stopped at that place there, you know. I should have stopped at that place. Alright, I go to wait, I would have dance name. You see that dance the April 27th on the back of the car. Chopper lifestyle. Mobi, you know, you think them easy. You know, and I know some of my older listeners who don't know what the chopper culture is, you know, but let's just say it is not held in high regard, you know. The chopper culture is not. See the great half moon there. You see that? Half moon. Right? You know, so I have to watch you driving though. Keep left, pass right. That sign the same. Get back in the thing. Half moon hotel is where it's the preferred vacation spot for celebrities. And when we talk about celebrities, we mean celebrities. Venus Williams, Michael Douglas, them big people, you know, them tend to go half moon, and half moon have a kind of, you know, cottage type of setting for them thing down there. It's like you have your own like a private house. They have room level type of thing too, you know. But what they're renowned for is their discretion, right? You know, people go there because they know that they can go there and nobody knows them there. Unless them want people know them there. So a lot of people go to half moon. Half moon is known for that, right? And what's that, Rosal Villas, the village. Yeah, so Half Moon is known for that. And but them have, you know, beach too, and you know, 5-star luxury and all these things, like really good, yeah, you know. But you name it, and they have been to Half Moon. Tom Cruise, you know, big international star, them movie star, them and whatever. Not to mention those who are, as they say in their culture, fabulously wealthy, but not necessarily, you know, like a movie star or a musician or anything, but just like ridiculously wealthy. So they may not be popular, but you have really wealthy people who also love Half Moon. Oh, I remember this place when it was built, and everybody did buy it. It was wait, name now, Jewel Grand. When this place was built, they were just selling the apartments, and it was a thing, you know. It was, you know, for those of means, it was like supposed to be a nice investment. But it has gone through some struggles over the years, and I've seen that it's now rebranded. Okay, so somebody are working at a hot sun, they are cleaning the road, big R up. Yeah. Okay. So, I just want to know, little clippings here, so me there. Dep on the road and thing, and of course more to come. We have content for you know. And again, the content is courtesy of my title sponsor, the law offices of Spector and Associates, your serious injury attorneys, okay? And I did so raga work, you know, understand, all right? So I'm a content provider, I'm a broadcaster, and I'm a lawyer, right? I want to know me do immigration law, so I want to link about that, and personal injury law, okay? And the personal injury law, I do it through the law offices of Spector and Associates, and the number is 800-318-8888, 800-318-8888, 800-318-8888. So if you're in New York City and you get in a car accident, just give us a call, no? 800-318-8888. And in particularly if you're in Queens area where our offices and where I live, the whole works and whatever, give me a call. If unfortunately, oh yes, Hilton, I remember that. If unfortunately you should get in a car accident and you suffer an injury and you want to make sure, say, you maximize the amount of money where you can get for your injury, we need to come talk to 800-318-8888, 800-318-8888. Spector and Associates. Call the number and ask for Ragashanti. Alright? Ask for Dr. Stewart or Ragashanti. I don't know, I'm not fussy about the Dr. Stewart or whatever, you know, but some people in the office them refer to me like that and think Raga is fine with me. Right? Let's say you want your call because of Ragashanti and Ragashanti law firm, you want to deal with your car accident matter. Alright? That's what the thing there. Alright, so I'm going to stop the video after a minute and thing and work my way down to where I will be staying. Okay? Alright, so big up on yourself. Everything is everything. Alright, what I'm going over this. Alright, cool. Jamaica it is, Jam Rock it is. We're up on the rock, yeah? And I don't know. Oh, Sea Castles, or what is the name? Sea Castles. I don't know how or something, you know, so. Right, the one name this now. Balance up, Raga. You're a driver. Alright? Why Jamaica? It's like, when you're there, there's some things they take for granted. They see all them greenery and the police. I'm a police. Hope them not see me on video, you know. Police with some big gun and all these things. Oi. Yeah, but they want them see me, you know, because me and police live good, you know. Yeah, well, them know Ragashanti, put it away, yeah. Put it away there, you know, them know Ragashanti, but boy, them ever take a thing off of me, man. They ever take a food off of me, you see me? But I take care of police, you know, because I Jamaica, you know, coming. I allow the people, police take care of me. You know, I have several bad experience with some of them, but for the most part, police treat me good because me treat them good, you understand? And look out for me and say, Ray, Raga, boom, watch your back, you know, rah. The whole works, yeah? Don't go there, so don't do so. Yo, a man, I look for you, you know, boom, bam. So big up all of the good police, them out, the good Jamaican police, you know, who, you know, more while people don't ever see what not the good one not do, you understand? People just quick to see the bad one, them and thing, and we know there are some bad ones. We have big construction are going over here, so, you know. See? You know, see? Hold on, let me see me can show. Yeah. Them black it up, but me I show them. I tell you about one big hotel I build this again. You know, and beer that going on the north coast, you know. It's all about building some big hotel and all these things. Alright, I need to stop this video and say a browning there, just come out of the road taxi. Alright, we need to stop this thing and see if we can pre some food or probably just wait till I reach me and go here, man, because yo, people don't get it twisted though, you know. They are Jamaican things nice and whatever, you know, but you can't bring the foreign mind mentality down in this, you know. You have to switch back in that zone the way. Yeah, you know, if you move and lay yourself too careless and thing or whatever, because one thing with Jamaicans, you know, no care how you try for. So I'm telling the people, you see that the sign there, it's a lily pot. And you see the arrow point over to lily pot. Yeah, over there, some 69 used to live. All who listen to me a long time, Rosal, Iberia Star. You know me, say the hotel a turn up, you know. Rosal, Iberia Star, yeah, man. All who listen to me a long time, I know about me 69 from back in the days, you know. Me 69, you know, who was of age, you know, but very sprightly, you know. Be a young boy, she take, you know. Yeah. And take care of them and treat them good and balance them up. And them just take time, lift up our foot so our old bone them no mash up and thing and it to her, you understand? And my sister and I take care of them and call in and talk up with things them. She never business. Yeah, but she dropped out years ago, Fan the Fire. Again, I don't listen to me a long time, I don't know about Fan the Fire. Fan the Fire tell me years ago, so she dropped out years before that, you know. Rest in peace, Miss 69. Rest in peace, Miss Thelma. Rest in peace, Little Dose. Rest in peace, original TamFamers. Everything is everything. But as me I say, yeah, when you come at Jamaican thing, I want to feel nice and, you know, I appreciate the country and I appreciate the greenery and the niceness down here and whatever and thing. Nobody go on too flashy or flashy dashy. You understand? Attract no attention to yourself because some little boy down here, them are going X. Right? And some little boy down there, them are move mucky. And if you're going like say your thing is set a certain way where if them do so them can benefit, Try know them a come for you. Try know you're going to get a page. So you don't want to attract certain attention and thing, you know. And based on how your thing set, like all a man like me, you have to be careful how you make people to know your movements. You understand? But just pass from a seafood place, you know. But no, man, wait. Because I don't really want to eat the hotel food, you see me? I go to a hotel, you know, but and them have food there, but I want that something there, man. I want that something there, you know. That Jamaican season up and taste good something there, you know. That I want, you know. Probably have some escovitch fish right now and all these things. Yeah. Yo, but since we're just dropping that place, I feel probably just go to the hotel and get a small food because I'm gonna be here for a few days. Just a few days. Right? You're approaching Father Bowl Restaurant. You know what's the menu of that? Ocean Pearl Resort. Alright people, we're there, you know. We're not seeing a beautiful Jamaica down. Nothing. Wait. Aye. Yes. Kirk seafood fry. Me a top right or so. I'm gonna see if I can get a park and thing. Alright, hold on.